Question is asking this function has a minimum at what? Maxima minima concept. Dy divided by dx, that is equal to 4x cube. 6 2s are 12x plus 8. You put dy divided by dx is equal to 0. You put this dy by dx is equal to 0. 4x cube minus 12x plus 8 is equal to 0. So divide by 4. So what is the answer that we get? X cube minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. First is trial and error method. 1 minus 3 plus 2. X is equal to 1 is a root. Correct or not? X is equal to 1 is a root. Obviously by trial and error method. Now what you have to do, this part, x cube plus 0x square minus 3x plus 2. You divide by x minus 1. Correct or not? If x is equal to 1 is a root. This implies to me that x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor of x cube minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. We'll do the long division now. X square, x cube minus 1x square. So minus plus, this is nothing but x square minus 3x plus 2 plus x square minus x. So what is the answer that we get? Minus 2x plus 2. So minus 2. So answer will be minus 2x plus 2. So what is this answer? 0. So this part we will do the sum and product now. This part will do the sum and product. Plus 1 and minus 2, which is nothing but plus 2 and minus 1. So x is equal to minus 2 comma 1. So if you can basically see here minus 2 comma 1. So can you tell me for this critical points are what? Critical points of the function are x is equal to 1 and 2, right? X is equal to 1 and minus 2. Why? Because 1 is repeating and minus 2. Correct or not? So what we'll do now? Again you do the second order derivative because there are two critical points. D square y by dx square. What is this answer? 4 3s are 12. X square minus 12. Correct or not? Now you calculate d square y divided by dx square at the point 1. At x is equal to 1 you calculate. What is the answer that we get? 12 minus 12, that is equal to 0. What do you understand now? Point of inflection. Correct? What do you mean by point of inflection? What is the point of inflection? X is equal to 1 is the point of inflection. So d square y divided by dx square at the point x is equal to minus 2. What will be the answer now? At the point 12 into minus 2 the whole square minus 12. So answer to the question will be 12 into 4 minus 12. So 48 minus 12 will be 36 greater than 0. So definitely x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 is the point of local minima. Is the point of local minima as per the second derivative test. Is the point of local minima. We have seen all this in the theory. Is it right? Question is asking you to calculate what is the minimum value now. Question is asking you to calculate minimum value. Minimum value y is equal to, minimum value of y is equal to minus 2 to the power of 4 minus 6 into minus 2 the whole square plus 8 into minus 2 plus 11. So what is the answer that we get to? 16 minus 24 minus 16 plus 11. What is the answer that we get? Plus 16 minus 16 will get cancelled. Minus 13 will be the answer to the question for minimum value. Here this question was restricted to what is the minimum, local minimum point here. But you can consider this to be a further reference also. In case if the question was asked what is the minimum value of the function, then you can calculate this. Here in this particular question, the question stops here. Is it okay? Which is the point of local minimum? X is equal to minus 2. But if the question was asking what is the minimum value of the function, then you have to substitute minus 2 in this equation. Okay, this is the star. This is the principal equation. Put x is equal to minus 2 here and you will get the answer to the question. Is it okay?